Michael, thank you for joining us today.
Pleasure.
Michael, we're at the One-to-One Cape Town conference at the moment. A lot of investors on it here at the moment. There's a lot going on with W Resources. Just recap about your project.
Okay, so we've got La Perilla, which is the largest tungsten mine in Europe in central Spain, and we've got Regoa in northern Portugal.
So the next stages for you, financing, you're about to close. It must be exciting times.
It's February. We're in a very busy month. We've announced 35 million financing. We're going to get 13 million this week or next week. That puts the cash in the bank, which allows us to go full speed on the development of La Perilla. Expect to break ground with all the civil work starting in March, and this time next year we'll have our plant ready to go.
So with regards to investors, shareholders, what is that key message for people? Why should they be investing now?
Okay, so shareholders have been very patient as we've got the financing in place. 35 million provides all the financing necessary to get La Perilla up and running, and it actually provides some funds towards Regoa. So not one mine finance, but a second up and running as well. That is debt finance, it's not equity, it's non-dilutive, and it provides all the financing we need to get La Perilla rolling. La Perilla is very low capital cost, very low operating costs. Tungsten price is rising very strongly. Perfect time to build low cost capacity.
Obviously, a lot of investors who are here in Cape Town at the moment, a key mining date. What's the feedback? What's the mood?
The mood's good. I mean, I think everybody's seen a fairly healthy rise in global commodity prices. There's a lot more capital around, there's a lot more interest. You're seeing some very large uplifts in the market caps of companies in our space. And a lot of that is when they transition from the start of development to actual production. I mean, you've seen Blue Jay go through the roof. There's a number of others on the horizon, and we're expecting those tailwinds to very much support us now that we're locking down the finance.
And what's your experience of the one-to-one event that we're at the moment?
Early days now. We've got some full slate of investors, and very pleased to be here in the warm Cape Town weather.
Well, Michael, thank you for your time.
Okay.